13th over 14th one, right? So tell me the 14th question. What is the 14th question? If tan of a plus b is equal to root 3, okay. And tan 1 by root 3, right? Okay. 0 degrees, okay. Okay. Find A and B, right? Final. At the end of the question, find A and B. That's all I need actually. Okay. So right now, we should find out similarly what we done according to the 13th question. We found A plus B along with B. After the completion of the cancellation, we got B value and we put in the, we subtracted in the sign value. So we have tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. And again we have tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. But we should find out about only A and B. So initially we should know about A and last one B. Here we have A and B means we should add. It means plus. Understand? This is the question process before we are going to do this sum. So let me do this from here. Similarly, concept like. So if you want to find out the A plus B value, then we should cancel this tan term here. Then tan of A plus B is equal to, what is the value for root 3 means in tan 60? They have tan 60, I think so, right? Yeah. Tan 60 we have. It means tan cancel, then A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Let me take it as an equation number 1. Let me move forward to the second one. Tell me, tan of A minus B is equal to, here 1 by root 3 means tan 30, is it? Of course, tan 30, yeah. Here also tan cancel. Then we have A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Let me take this as equation number 2, okay. From the cancellation of equation number 1 and 2, we'll get the A or B. Then we can substitute in the value in equation number 1 or 2. Then we can find the remaining value. Okay. Then we can add both values according to the assumption of the given question in your textbook. It means from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, tell me A plus B is equal to 60. Next, A minus B is equal to 30, right? But see here, A plus B, here minus B, cancel. A plus A, 2A is equal to 30 plus 60, total 90. Then A is equal to how much, ma'am? A is equal to 45. We found successfully A value. Then I am going to substitute this A value in the equation number 1 or 2. In both your wish, ma'am. I am going to substitute equation number 1. You can also substitute equation number 2 also. You will get the answer of B value. Okay. Understand up to this one? Anyone had out here? No. Okay. So let me substitute A value in equation number 1. What is equation number here? 1 here, ma'am? Here we have. So A plus 45, that is equal to 60 we have, right? Then A is equal to 60 minus 45, then A is equal to 15 degrees. Understand, ma? Understand? So we have right now, actually we need which value, ma? B value, right? Then I am going to write here B value. It means B value. Understand right now? Understand? I simply substituted only in equation number 1 instead of A value. Okay, then we got B value. Okay, so we have A value and B value. We found A value and B value, and the final answer was what we asked in the assumption A and B. Here and means plus, ma. And means plus, or means minus. Understand? Yeah. It means A plus B. That implies A plus B, that is equal to 45 plus 15 degrees. That implies A plus B is equal to how much, ma? Tell me. 60. That is your answer. Okay? Any doubt? Yeah. Madam, thank you.